Already I discussed about this strategy. When gap is mitigated, if market creates another gap, target was below, so I take directly trade, simple. Okay, I take one more call option just because it was already mitigated this gap and it was reacting also. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about a fair value gap, which fair value gap is strong. So previously already I make the video about the weak fair value gap, which is manipulated fair value gap. So today we can discuss about strong fair value gap. Okay, simple. If you have a momentum like this, if you think just it's the uptrend. Okay, you have in this swing, the swing high to the swing low, we have a lot of gaps. For example, you have a gap like this, you have a gap, have a gap here, you have a gap here. See, a lot of times you are see this kind of gaps in the market. So which one will hold our trade, which one will reverse our trend? So basically the first gap, this first gap is weak gap. Already we discussed about that. So which one we are going to use it? So basically, when you have any doubt about these gaps, go for it and take this data and range tool, draw like this or any other tool. So get this 50% level. Below the 50% level we can call it discount, above the 50% level we can call it premium. So if you want to buy, so always try to buy from this 50 below 50% level at this discount level. In this discount level, if you have any gaps, that will be work. Okay, this is one way to find the strong one there, and there is a one more way to find strong gap. This is very powerful. See, for example, this is bullish momentum. Just imagine this is bullish. Okay, we have a bullish fair value gap here. So after this bullish fair value gap, or immediately, or after some time, doesn't matter, if market is retraced here, that means mitigated this gap. After mitigation of this gap, if market create any other gap, that means if immediately if it is create any fair value gap, see this in this red one I draw. So previously we have, this is the first gap and this is the second gap. Yes, the second gap is more powerful than first one. Why? Because market already sweep the liquidity and it was creating the liquidity and it was creating the fair value gap, means it is telling I am moving to our up to our target. That means when you take the trade from this gap, okay, when you try to take the trade from here, this gap will hold your trade, okay, until your target. So you are going, if you want to take the trade from here, your winning ratio will be increased. So I will show the some live examples also. See, this is live market. Okay, okay, see here, here is a gap. It was mitigated immediately, it was a created the gap. See, market is moving downside. Yes, so for example, here is a gap, it was mitigated this by this candle. Okay, after that it was created a gap here. You see, from here it was moving downside. After mitigation of this gap, market again creating the gap. So maybe there are chances to market will move downside also. But when you are taking a trade, you have to see the targets. So already I discussed about the targets. See, for example, here is, see, here is the target, this is the liquidity level, and the second target is and below. So when market finish our target, so this gap will be our first gap. This is not strong gap. So even it was retrace here, there is a chances to market breakout and move upside also. Okay, I will show a lot of example. Any currency pair you can take. Okay, I will show it is how it was strongly working. Okay, from here if I get any seller's candle, I try to take a sell trade by call option from here. See, in my account I have a $10 only. I am taking 50% of this capital and five, I am taking, that means $5. After taking this trade, I will explain. Just because of I take the trade because of the strategy. Just let me explain. See, here is a gap. This gap was mitigated immediately, it was not creating any gap. So again market sweep this low, if it is again creating the gap, that means strong. But if it is mitigated here, that is strong confirmation. But without mitigation also, I take the trade from here, just because of it is coming from the seller's area. Okay, if it is mitigated here, okay, okay, I take one more sell trade here, just because of this gap. I take my old capital. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I have a lot of confirmations. Okay, one confirmation is market sweep the liquidity, and second confirmation is create the gap, and third confirmation is it is coming from the seller's area, that means trap. Okay, see just what will happen. Even I lose trade, I am going to win this trade. How much this, the fair value gap, that much is strong it is. See how good, how strongly I get a reaction from this. Okay, wait for the another opportunity, any opportunity, I try to take a one more call option. Okay, I take one more call option, just because it was already mitigated this gap, and it was reacting also. Let's wait what will happen. See, last second also, I think, I hope this candle will be closed as a green candle. So very easy to trade. Market is already complicated. Don't complicate the market. Just find the liquidity and gaps. So my whole videos I am trying to say this only. See, I am win here. So how many price action traders will trap here? See, exactly from sellers area they try to take a sell trade here, they will lose. Okay, they win, but again they try to take a sell trade here, but I take a call option. Why I am take that call option? Just now I discussed, this is strong gap. How it was strong gap? Here is a fair value gap, it was mitigated. After that again this low was sweeping, so immediately it was again trying to create a gaps. That means market telling that I am going to moving upside. Already give the indication. I take a two trades on here, my old capital on this trade. Simply I lost one trade, okay, no issues. Immediately when I see the reaction here, I take the trade. Immediately again I take the trade here, again I win. Simple, my target was finished. Now market at this extreme fair value gap, so target was finished. If I get any another same exactly entry point, I try to take a trade. I will explain. Okay, so here is the target was finished. What I say, after target finishing, we are not going to take any trade here. If I get this kind of strong gap anywhere, I want to take the trade. Okay, see what happening here. Here is the liquidity level, it was mitigated, it was moving upside. Previously I discussed, just now also I said this thing. When market mitigate our target, the first gap will be manipulation gap. See, it is a gap. Even it was reacting, it will lose your trade. If you take the trade here, you are going to lose here. So don't depend on first gap, this will be manipulation gap. So a lot of people try to take a see the reaction, they try to take a sell trade here. Maybe it will, they will lose, just because of they don't know what is happening here. So always the find the liquidity first. So after finding the liquidity, then only gaps will work. Without sweeping any gaps, liquidity, any gap doesn't work. Okay, what is happening here? Target was finished, market tried to reverse from here. Okay, but without gap we are not going to take it any trade. So for example, from here if market create any gap, okay, no, it not creating, but I'm thinking it is a gap. Okay, see here, it is a gap, it was mitigated. Immediately market create another gap. See, do you see how much strongly market moving upside? If you take trade on here, it was win. Again there is a gap, if you after mitigation, if you take the trade on here, you will win. So when after finding, after getting this situation, you are getting good trades and winning also. That is my intention. So it is a liquidator, it was sweep. If market try to creating any gap, I want to take the trade from here, but market not creating any gap, so I am not going to take any trade here. Okay, if next candle will come to this gap, I want to try to take a say buy option. Okay, no issues. Maybe this candle will be a green candle also. We need good good what I say, good entry in this situation. See what why I am telling that. Here is the gap. These candles are mitigate the gap. I will zoom out. Okay, zoom in. Wait. See here, here is the gap. It was mitigated, immediately create the gap. So next candle is moving upside. Okay, simple. If you find this kind of situation, you will increase your winning ratio, probability will be increased. So why I'm not taking trade continuously? Because we need gap. After mitigation of gap, you get only one trade. Otherwise, if it is mitigated, you can get another trade. Without mitigation, we are not going to take continuously trade. So I am waiting to mitigate this gap. See here, it is coming from exactly fair value gap. There is a fair value gap. Here is a fair value gap. It was mitigated. Again, gap was created. See, market is trying to moving upside. Simple. Okay, there is a no gaps. If this gap was broken, 1 second, I will draw. Okay, it is the only one gap is here. This is our extreme fair value gap. So market if reacting from here, maybe there is a chances to reversal. Otherwise, it will move upside. If I get entry point, any entry point, that means I need gap. After that gap only, I want to take the trades. There is a no confirmation for me right now. Okay, market sees the liquidity, but it's not creating any gaps. So market is not creating gaps means that is indicating they are getting weak. Okay, it is try to creating here gap. Let's see what is happening. I want to show one more trade. After the trade, I will close the session. Just I want to show which is the gap is which gap is strong, which is the weak one. So a lot of people asking the basics. Once you go for my YouTube, check, I upload the video about the market structure. Okay, about the market structure. Second, I upload already video, deep video about the fair value gap, and upload the video OB and also order flow. Okay, I make a video already on what trap, what is a trap. Okay, and I also upload the video about strategy, which strategy we use, and I upload a video about the weak gap. Now I am telling about the which is the strong gap. So if you want to trade direct without learning my course, you can go for and watch all these videos. You can get lot of things, because I am not telling every day one strategy. I am discussing every day. Only thing is liquidity plus gaps. Okay, if you want to learn something from YouTube, you can go and watch it my playlist. I already uploaded all these videos. It will be maybe useful for you. Okay, still you are not understanding anything, if you want to join my course, enhance your skills, my contact details in the description. Feel to contact me. I take sell trade here directly, just because just when I am talking, I get a trade here. Let's see what is happening here. See, here is the extreme fair value gap. Here is the extreme fair value gap. What is happening? It is coming from fair value gap. Again, market created the gap here. So I directly take the sell trade. Simple, because this is very strong. I hope this will be close as a red candle. Let's see what will happen. It was reacting. Simple. Already I discussed about this strategy. When gap is mitigated, if market create another gap, target was below, so I take directly trade. Simple. Okay, I win this strategy, win this trade. What kind of content you people are need, comment below. I will try to make on that. Okay, any doubts, contact me, my contact is in the description. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video will be help for your uh, trading.